how to change default font in Word. Set to your favorite font as default in Word. So if you want to change default font in Word, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Word application. Once you open up your Word, now if you open up a blank document, then here you'll be able to see the default font and the default font size and the name, right? So if you want to change that, or if you want to change the default, then what you need to do is simply click on the arrow which is right here, or you can simply press Ctrl D on your keyboard and you'll get this kind of interface. So once you have this here, I'll be choosing Times New Roman as the font, and I'll be choosing the font size as 12, which is as it is, and you can simply choose the font style. I'll be choosing the regular, and you can go with font color, underline style, and effects, and all the other options, right? So you can simply adjust everything, and once you've adjusted, you can go with set as default, which is here on the bottom left. Click on that, and it is asking that if you want to set the default, or if you want to set this as a default for only this document or for all the documents. So I'll be choosing all the documents and then go with OK. And now you can see I have the font which I have just customized. Now you can again go with file and go with a blank document, and you can see that you will have the same kind of font and the size that you've just added. So that's how you can change the default font in Word. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.